Looking for a fast, reliable locksmith in Melbourne? Look no further. Solid Lock Locksmith is your one-stop lock shop. Servicing the Melbourne metro area, we have over 15 years in the industry, so there's no job too big or too small. When locked out, we understand that a reliable service is the key. That's why we offer a wide range of locksmith services in automotive, commercial and residential, such as key cutting, master key setups, safe sales and installation, new door locks and handles, and general locksmith consulting. We even offer emergency services 24/7 for the times you find yourself in a tough spot. So if you're in need of a locksmith, call the Solid Lock Locksmith on 0401 073 756 and get the fast, reliable service you need on time, every time.